Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. So this time we did something a little different. I put some flashcards together for my client because she wasn't sure what it is that she wanted. And she picked without knowing, and let's see what it is that we did. So she wound up picking a natural ponytail with baby hair with a body wave textured hair. So let's see how we could, show y'all how you could achieve this look. Of course, you have to blow the hair out. I used Paul Mitchell's Skinny line. I used the shampoo, conditioner, and then I used the leave-in, the almond and avocado leave-in from Design Essentials. And then I used the Matrix fiber leave-in also. Because you want to make sure the hair is really protected. Then I sprayed some AG Firewall on her hair before I flat ironed it. You do not want breakage, of course, because you're about to apply heat. You do not want the hair to get dry. So, I will list all the products that I used in the description box below, of course. You guys know that. So, in order for you to have a nice sleek ponytail and your client has natural hair, there's no way you can get out of making it straight. So, you have to blow dry it. You have to flat iron it. So, that's what we did. I blow dried. I flat ironed her hair. And now you want to get it all up. So the last thing I usually do is the edges. So I'm pulling all of the baby hair that I'm going to use out first before I start to get her hair up into the ponytail. So the only thing I'm going to use to get her ponytail to be really sleek is the Got To Be Free spray. That's all I use. I don't know if that's just my method. It works pretty well for me. It doesn't matter how thick the person's hair is. You apply enough and you know how to apply it without it turning white. It is the best option. It is easy to get out. All you got to do is stick your head in some water, and that is it. You cannot apply anything that is water-based on your client's hair because it will revert back to its natural state. So you have to make sure you use something that's going to dry fast and is going to keep the hair straight. You don't want to do all that hard work of making your client's hair straight, and then you put the product on it and it just completely reverts back. So you're going to spray and dry, spray and dry. That's just the technique that you're going to keep on doing until you get everything up. I repeat the process more than one time because I try to get everything up, all of her hair up and like stuck. And then however many times I need to loosen the ponytail just to make sure that I get it like completely up and everything really neat. You can take your ponytail out as many times as you need to just so that everything is cohesive. You don't want no lumps. You don't want no, you want everything to be even. So as you can see, I took the ponytail loose and I reapplied it. And now I'm going to do the process again, but it's already sleeker than when I started. So like I told you, You can take out and reapply as many times as you need to so you can get the ponytail really, really sleek. It's not, it depends on the person's hair. It depends on how thick the person's hair is. But it will get the ponytail really, really nice and neat. Okay, so everything is all up in the ponytail. Now, to me, when you use products, sister products, they usually work well together. I always use the Got to Breathe gel in a yellow bottle for the baby hair. It's the same process. You slick it down, you dry it, it dries really fast, it stays really good. It works for me. And also, when you spray, if you need to spray more, got to be free spray, it will not make it turn white if you apply it on top of the got to be gel. So that's another plus because you cannot mix certain products together. A ponytail is very, very delicate. It is easy, depending on what you use, for the products to turn white, especially because the person's hair is natural. Okay, so now we are going to tie her edges down while I put her ponytail on. We just want to keep them in place. We don't want them to mess up, and we want them to completely dry. So tie something around the edges. This is a black wrapping strip. I'll leave that information below. Also, we're going to use another black wrapping strip to wrap around the braid because I am doing an extended ponytail, and to just keep the hair from getting mixed in. I'm sewing the ponytail on. So to just have a better grip and to keep everything in, keep all of her hair in, you want to wrap that with the black wrapping strip as well. All right, so I'm sewing my ponytail. So you need to make sure that it is secure in. So I'm going to put a few stitches at the bottom so that the ponytail stays and is very secure. That is very important. And your actual ponytail where you gather your client's hair, those two areas need to be very sturdy because you want the ponytail to last. And then also, as you get to the top of the ponytail, you're moving the ponytail a lot. So if the ponytail at the top is not sturdy, it will be loose. And when you do your wraparound, it will just be a disaster. So you have to make sure that it is very secure when you put your ponytail on. So you do not have to sew the ponytail on like you're sewing a track. So you can do some stitches and skip, wrap some hair around and skip. You just need to make sure when you're wrapping it tight. And when you're applying your stitch is tight. So to me, your wraparound is what makes your ponytail. Like, that's what is like the best part of this whole process to me. The higher you go, of course, the higher up the ponytail is gonna sit when it falls. So you use your discretion. I wanted the ponytail to be a little higher, especially because I'm gonna be doing like two different looks with the ponytail. And I just like it like the genie look. I like the high ponytail. It's cute, it's fun. But it's completely up to you. You can do a wider wraparound or you can do a skinny one, whichever you prefer or whatever your client prefers. But you wrap it around, you wrap it very tight. I apply the Got to Be Freeze spray as I go around. Once I get to the end, I take a little bit of weave glue, the bonding glue, and I put it on the end and I just put the hair on top and then I dry it with my dryer. That's going to keep it in. It's not going to unravel and it's going to be very secure. So now all of the hard process is done. Everything is done. All you got to do is make sure you comb your ponytail out so everything, nothing is tangled, everything is straight so it falls properly. And yeah, we're going to take our wrapping strip off and you guys get to see the final result. I'm beginning to really like ponytails. I never was a ponytail person, maybe because I don't think I was sure about doing them. But now that I've like perfected them, I love doing them. I think they're so cute. They're so fun. You can dress them up, you can dress them down, and it's easy. It's super quick to install. You can get cheap hair to do it. It's like a really cheap style to do. If you know how to do it yourself, it's even cheaper. But even the service is not expensive. But this is our final look. Like, what y'all think? I'm feeling it. And then we're going to go a step further, and I'm going to just cut the ponytail into like a short. Look at this. Look how cute this is. This is super cute. Like, I love this. I love that my clients allow me to do, like, different things, different looks. But look, this is given. I would love to do this again. I may even try it on myself. Maybe like a frontal ponytail. But yes, follow me on Instagram. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm going to leave all the information below so you guys can try this or get your stylist to try this. And I'll see you next time.